Hi! In front of me is Honor 90 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google. Continue at the bottom right corner. And then Google Password Manager. Finally, as you can see, I can add a password by tapping on this plus next to Search Passwords. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. In order to fix it, click on this gear next to Password Manager. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Log into one of your apps and hit Save in Password Manager pop-up. This way, your password will appear over here. Now to finally add it from those settings, after tapping on the plus, enter all of those data. You can input any website you wish to log in, or click on Select App and click on the chosen one. Then enter username or email, password, and some helpful notes. When you're ready, choose Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!